All aboard!
PBS Kids has trainloads of fun with Thomas and Friends. Every day is a brand new adventure with great friends. Morning, Thomas! Big surprises. And lots of teamwork.
Right on time!
Climb aboard with Thomas and Friends.
Tune in weekday afternoons here on Idaho Public Television.
Meet Eleanor's friend, Olive.
I like reading, especially my nature book. I just like bananas.
Eleanor wonders why. Weekdays or watch it now on the PBS Kids video app.
I love playing games with my favorite PBS Kids
Giant
friends.
Wings Club,
Wild
only on 4Kids TV.
Denali game. My little brother loves driving Daniel Tiger's trolley. The PBS Kids Games app. Download it now.
Join Arthur and his friends as they learn the value of friendship.